Hey, hi you guys, this is Russell Folas for this short live for my fellow business owners and individual taxpayer. So just to announce you that you guys have to act fast if you need money for your business. Okay, I don't know what business you are in, but depending on where you live in, there are funding for your business. Okay, I'm gonna start with Newark. Newark is actually funding again its business owners. Okay, if you are a salon owner, any type of business you are in Newark, there will be a massive amount of money given out there to business owners. Okay, so watch out from I think it was December 17 or 19. The application will be ready to accepting business. The website will be ready to accept business owners application. So you have one thing to do. The first thing you have to do is to have, the most important thing is to have your financial information ready. This is the must. Okay, if you are a business owner in Newark and you need funding for your business, you need your financial information in order. If you don't, try to think about how to collect all the information, how much sales you have been making. I have a lot of business owners who missed $30,000 from many other states, because they were not able to get together with the financial information. At the beginning of the COVID-19, they were giving funding to business owners. I'm talking about grants, not even the loan. I'm talking about grants. They were giving funding to business owners based on the 2019 tax year. Now is the end of 2020. You need your financial information in order. If you don't, then you have to act now, because all of those money are going to be released before the end of this month and before the end of this year, basically. So I know a lot of business owners are going to come to my office by January or February, and they are going to learn about what they have missed when I'm going to tell them that this is what you should have been doing in December. I think they're going to blame themselves, because this is always what I do. I let you guys know what you need to do. I don't ask to be, I'm not taking a percentage of what you'll be receiving, but I just let you know what is available. It doesn't matter what state you are. Get your financial information, get to your state or city, okay, website. You will see the grants that is available to you, but the first thing you have to get is your financial statement. You have to be able to report a monthly financial record of your activity. It's as simple as that. All right, I have been telling to business owner that the tracking of your expenses, most importantly your expenses, but now they will also need to see your income, because they need to see the shift in the income from month to month. But you will have to track your expenses. This is how you save in taxes. This is actually how you know exactly how good is your business. All right, this is how you know the health of your activity. You don't know that your business is doing good because you see your bank account with only $1 or $1,000 or $1 million on it as a balance. Okay, so basically, I'm saying it again, you as a business owner, you need their money out there. Okay, there are a lot of grants to business owner. If you're a business owner, you live in Kansas, it doesn't matter whether you are in Kansas, in Oklahoma, or in California, or wherever you are, get your finance ready and contact me, or go to your city or state website to see for grants for business owner. 90% of states are allowing grants, or maybe loan. If it's not a grant, at least they have loan. You have to do that, because it's an opportunity for you guys to have a lot of these grants before the end of the year. Okay, so yes, this is the part that I wanted to emphasize about business owner, right? So it's really important. not only for yourself. By the way, this is the end of the year, right? This is the end of the year. You guys are going to be filing taxes. Are you still going to file taxes by, by just guessing how much expense you have been making during the year? Are you going to be filing your taxes by guessing how much income you have been making during the year and make your tax return really inconsistent? I have seen some, business owner when I was helping them with the PPP, which is actually coming back, right? There is a new round of PPP. The PPP is actually a loan that was given to people, and actually, people have been making it a grant because it was given to people as a loan. But the government says, if you want to make it a grant, this is what you have to do. And since a couple of months now, I have been helping people to transform that loan into a grant, and to help other people like by themselves, to help themselves. I got together this program, this application that is actually in my Facebook page, that can allow you to actually make the 100% of your loan into a grant. Just as a reminder, if you don't know how much of the money that you receive will be considered a grant, then chances are that more than you can imagine is not going to be forgivable. And the application that I have available to you will actually guide you into tracking all the expense that you use the money for, and also split it and categorize it into eligible and non-eligible expense. So I think it will be the last time that I'm talking about that PPP expense tracker that will actually help you, to track the money that you receive. And if it found out that all the money is not forgivable, it will actually tell you how to allocate more expense for you to get the 100% forgivable. So yes, this is the part I was just saying, that since June or August, I have been helping people. When I was helping people receiving the PPP or the ELDL, I have discovered really inconsistent tax return. Really inconsistent tax return. You don't know what you are facing, what you are, exposing yourself. You are just putting yourself right in front of your IRS to say, oh, please audit me. You don't want that, because what you are saving by not hiring a professional tax preparer, or not actually knowing about your taxes, this is the same thing. After your taxes, you need to ask your CPA to explain to you what happened. Why is it that I have to pay this? Your CPA will tell you that, okay, this is what I claim in your taxes. I claim this amount of money, and you have to know why they have claimed that money. I have a lot of people who have their tax done, and then they got audited. They say, I don't even know what he did it on my taxes. And you're a business owner. You don't know why they claim this amount on your taxes. You don't know that they even forget about some 1099. I have business owner who saw when we were conducting, and they saw that they missed some 1099 in their return. You have to know, you have to educate yourself. Okay, you have to educate yourself when it comes to taxes. That's how you save money, and you avoid to be audited. Okay, so basically, when I was helping people, I have helped nearly 1,000 business owners to get PPP and ELDL since the beginning of this campaign. So now what you have to do is to get together with your financial. This morning again, another business owner called me about those grants that are available. I'm talking about NUWAC now, because they knew that there's a new grant coming up, and they also knew that they have to have financial available. Yes, you need to have your financial available. That means you actually have to hire a bookkeeper, an accountant, to actually do the catch-up, to actually do the recap of all your financial activity. Guess what? That is how the Siri or any financial organization will compare to see if you have been incurring a loss due to COVID-19. Just because you fund application doesn't mean they're going to give you money. So why are they going to give you money? You also know that so many businesses were actually making more money with the COVID-19, right? So how am I know that you are not making more money with the COVID-19 than you were making before COVID-19? That's the reason why they want to see how much money you have been making from January to August or October, I don't know how soon they're going, how far they're going to go. They have to see all of those, how much income you have been making, how much expense you have been making because of the COVID-19. What do you need the money for? That is what you need. So this is to remind you guys that you have to contact an accountant, okay, contact a CPA to actually get together you guys financial. Otherwise, once those programs started, the application will fill up very quick. Sometime after the first week, they are finished. The money is already exhausted. Even though they still accept the application, you're not going to be considered because you will be coming late. So this is now, and I think within 2 or 3 days, it will be open for to accept the application in Newark, and in most Siri as well. You have to go into your Siri, and if you don't know how to look into it, text me the state and the Siri you are in, and I will actually research and send you the link on and how much income you will receive, basically. Okay, this is my job, to actually help business owner to receive money. Okay, now I finished about reminding you about receiving money that is available to you. Now the new program, the Newark program, is also helping homeowner, right, to get loan assistance. Same thing. Okay, so you have to watch out. Newark Siri is also offering a home assistance program. It's a new one. They have been giving me since the beginning of the COVID-19, but this is a new round of it. So get ready with all the documentation. If you don't know what to get ready, what to gather for the application, just shoot me a chat message, email, or whatever it is. I will help you, or I will give you the link to see what documentation you need. Now, the other thing I want to talk about is the CARES Act. Okay, the CARES Act that was adopted in March 27 has a lot of opportunity, not only for business owner, but for any taxpayer in general. Okay, so you guys need to know that, and that's the reason why every single taxpayer has an opportunity to take advantage of the CARES Act to actually save in taxes. And in the program that we have, in the webinar that we had last week, which was on Sunday, and we decided, because you have so many people who booked for the webinar but they couldn't attend the webinar, we decided to run it again for Sunday. Okay, so the link, you might see the link within the description of this video to actually know and register your seat, because we only accept 100 seats for each session. The new session will be only 100 seats also. What's the point of it? The point of it to see what measure, what provision of that tax law allowed you to actually get cash. Basically, simple put, if you are a taxpayer, this is just a reminder again, if you're a taxpayer and you didn't receive your stimulus check, basically a lot of people didn't receive the stimulus check, and do you know how to receive it? 90% of people just don't know how to receive it. They keep writing to the IRS, or some people will tell them, oh, your income is too high, you couldn't receive it. But how to receive it? I'm pretty sure you don't know. If you ask yourself, oh yeah, I don't know how to receive it, it means you don't know, right? Now I'm telling you how to receive your $1,200 or $2,400 if it's a married couple filing jointly, right? Yes, this webinar is about that, to tell you how to receive your $1,200 if you didn't receive it. Millions of Americans didn't receive the $1,200, and millions of them they don't know how to get the $1,200. A lot of them think that they were not eligible because of the level of their income. Okay, if your income fails out, how to get your money? A lot of them doesn't know, right? So this is one of the 11 points. We have 11 points to discuss. Now, one of those, the strategy to benefit from the new treatment of the retirement plan that allows you to actually be able to save $19,300 in 1 year. Okay, if you have a retirement account, you can have a way to be able to save up to $19,000 in taxes. It means that basically, if your tax is not up to $19,000, then you pay zero, and you can save up to $19,300 in taxes. If your income level is only how much? Only $70,000. I'm not even talking about if your income is more than that. That means your income is more than that, you can even save more. So this is what the webinar will be about, will be all about. Okay, there are so many more points that we are going to discuss. If you have been seeing it on my Facebook page, on my WhatsApp profile or LinkedIn, you have seen all of those tax provision, all of those points. So I'm not going to get this too long. Just let you know that if you want to know what is available to you, you have been making charitable contribution, right? Chances are that they have not been accounted for. So how to account for your charitable contribution, what to do to account for it, that is what you will learn in the webinar. The payroll taxes. If you are a business owner, how to use your payroll taxes the way that is advantageous to you. So there are so many other things, and most importantly, the treatment of those PPP and EIDL. You have to make your money forgivable. If you don't, it's a loan. I mean, I don't know who doesn't want to make the loan a grant. I don't know. So we're going to explain all of it to you, and we're going to explain about the unemployment, right? If you didn't take the unemployment, this is a big thing. If you didn't take the unemployment, you didn't apply for unemployment, but you want to get the money you were supposed to receive, what do? This is what I'm going to disclose. I'm pretty sure 90% of taxpayer or business owner don't know. If you are a business owner, you didn't apply for unemployment because you say you're self-employed, you're a business owner. You didn't receive no type of financial, professional financial assistance from the federal. Then you are eligible to get something. So how to get it? Imagine that you didn't apply for unemployment, but now you will be able to know how to get where to get those money, the money you were supposed to receive, how to get it, right? I'm pretty sure if you're watching, maybe it's you. If it's you, you have to click the link within the description of this video, and because I'm gonna put it in here as well, for you to book for this incoming Sunday webinar to know exactly how to get your unemployment money, right? As simple as that. Did you get unemployment? No. Are you entitled to? It doesn't matter whether you're entitled to. If you are being affected by COVID-19 and you were home, you didn't get paid from your job, you didn't get paid for your job, and you didn't get your unemployment, how to receive it? That is why I'm going to disclose, man. And the last thing is that, do you even know that you can actually now stay home, not collect unemployment, but still getting paid from your job? How to do it? This is what I'm going to disclose, right? So basically, you guys have to educate yourself, okay? You have to educate yourself, or the only thing you have to do is to stay home and complain. And stay home and complain, you know what, you will not change anything. Now, if you are a tax professional and you don't know all of those, then you need to attend to the webinar, because I'm going to share that so that you can learn and actually help your business owner to provide them value. Okay, yeah, because we see you as the expert, the authority in your field, because you provide value. My customer, my followers are seeing me as the expert at the on the field, because I will always provide them value. I help them with what they don't know. If you're a tax professional, you're an accountant, you have your customer, you need to be able to know all of those. Or simply put, how do I know that? Just go to I will tell you guys, just go to the CARES Act law, go through all the articles of the law, and you know all about what I'm talking about now. Okay, so if you don't know what to do that, okay, just connect to the the webinar and learn some, because I'm gonna be honest with you, it's not gonna be everything, because it's a big thing. There are so many other things that I'm not even gonna talk about, but I'm gonna talk about enough thing to help you to take advantage of what is available to you, and you also know what you didn't take. Okay, you will know what you have missed already, because guess what, this law was adopted in March, right? That means you're gonna be missing something. So you have to know about what you have missed and know about what you still have available. This is how you get educated. Okay, this is how you pay attention, right? So basically, yes, if you are a tax professional, then you have to research for your customer or attend to this webinar to actually see those, look at those opportunity and share those with your customer, with your individual or business clients. Okay, so I don't see no question here, and I didn't want to be too long on this webinar. And if, by the way, if after that you still have question, you know, you can still send the question on the comment of this live, and if you're watching it on YouTube, simply put, just subscribe and hit the notification bell. That means you will be aware of any new content like this. I will always be sharing content in the matters to help you with your taxes, to help you to get more money for your fund, for your business, and most importantly, to help you to trade or organize your business financially, the way that you can actually track the process, the growth of your business. So I don't see no more question here. I'm going to thank you so much for this short webinar, and you know, see you on Friday. On Sunday, for the people who are going to register for this webinar, we are going to stop the registration on Saturday, the way we did last time. We want to stop it on Saturday. The people who are going to register for the seat after Saturday, they're gonna have to attend to the next one, the next upcoming one. That will be maybe next week if we still have time available, because this is the end of the year. There are so many end of the year report that we need to work on. So we didn't really want to spend more time on this, but we think it's a massive thing, because once December 30th hits, there are a lot of things that you won't be able to get again. Hey, by the way, for the EIGL, it's still available. We are still helping business owner to get EIGL. If you have not applied yet, you still have time to apply for the EIGL. If you are a business owner, you are a salon owner, or you are a self-employed, you still have time to apply for the EIGL. They're going to stop accepting or process application on December 31st. This was the last thing that I almost forgot. Okay, and the PPP is still on the way. To get ready, you have to get your financial on track. That was the last word. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.